You'll see an overview of all the available financial documents to our Build Pros, along with the benefits of each. You'll learn how to log payments on various financial documents and how to create and share financial documents with clients and vendors. Before we pick up our training scenario, let's walk through an overview of all the available documents to our builders in Houzz Pro. Starting with takeoffs and estimates, you've already learned that a takeoff is an efficient way to measure materials and convert those materials' costs to an estimate. An estimate is an approximation of how much the project will cost, along with a breakdown of each product or service associated with the project. Pros can create an estimate from a takeoff, or build an estimate from scratch, template, or upload. Houzz Pro allows pros to build accurate estimates quickly. Pros can use a database of local labor and material costs based on the project location to ensure their pricing is competitive, or create templates of their most common project types to allow for easy editing. In addition, all estimates display the pro's business name and logo, making certain they stand out from their competition with the professional branding. Lastly, estimates through Houzz Pro are able to be shared electronically to gain approval by clients with a quick e-signature. Once an estimate has been approved and the pro is ready to collect payment for services or products, the pro will create an invoice in Houzz Pro. Invoices can be generated at the end of the project or throughout the project in stages. Invoices in Houzz Pro record money coming into the pro's business. Houzz Pro enables our pros to create polished, professional, clear, and easy to understand invoices. Clients will be able to review the streamlined statement and then simply initiate payment with the click of a button, making sure that pros receive payment quickly with limited back and forth with the client. If a pro prefers to collect payments manually, Houzz Pro provides the flexibility to do so, allowing the pro to simply record the payments in Houzz Pro so as to have accurate bookkeeping. As with any project, change happens. With Houzz Pro, pros have the capability to make a change using the change order feature. Change orders document changes to products or services and can be created from the approved estimate or from scratch. Change orders are easily one of the biggest headaches for pros, and when not tracked properly, can result in a loss to their bottom line. By using change orders in Houzz Pro, pros can avoid cost overruns and capture every dollar spent. If the pro's business works on retainer, Houzz Pro makes it easy to collect payment upfront and then apply the retainer as work is done. Houzz Pro also makes it simple to track credits that their client can use towards their project or by issuing a refund. If the pro's retainer only covers part of the cost on the estimate, the balance can be set up as a series of scheduled payments, and it's easy to invoice as they go. Retainers and credits ensure pros the flexibility to run their business finances the way they want and reduce the amount of time spent following up and chasing down clients for payment. Once the pro has collected payment from the client, the products or services can be ordered. The pro can create a purchase order from an invoice or an estimate in Houzz Pro. What's great is pros can create multiple purchase orders from a single estimate or invoice and share with their subcontractors or vendors in the order they need it when they need it. Pros love that they are able to save time and increase productivity by easily converting their estimates or invoices to purchase orders. Purchase orders help them keep better track of orders sent to subcontractors and vendors and enables them to be better organized with their finances. All documents in Houzz Pro are professionally branded with the pro's logo and company information. They're easily editable and customizable with areas for custom messages, terms and conditions, and memos. Furthermore, all documents can be approved by the client online from any device and have the capability to be e-signed. This is saving pros time and helping them win more jobs as they're able to quote faster and more professionally. Now that you've seen an overview of the financial documents in Houzz Pro, let's go back to our training scenario and walk through a common workflow for builders and experience how they can manage their projects in Houzz Pro. I want to quickly point out that our pro in this scenario does not have a retainer-based business, so they will not be creating a retainer or credit as we walk through their workflow, but we will be discussing invoices, change orders, purchase orders, and how to log time and expenses. Let's continue. We left off in the last video with an approved estimate for a kitchen remodel, and our pro requested a deposit from the homeowner. The homeowner submitted payment for the deposit, and now the pro can easily log the payment from the estimate in Houzz Pro. You can see in this example that the pro has already set up a payment schedule for future payments for the homeowner. Now that the pro has received funds from their client, the next step in the process is to start ordering products or completing services. For this project, it was important for the homeowner to select the kitchen cabinet design that they wanted first, since cabinetry takes some time to receive from the vendor. Our pro called the vendor to discuss the cabinets, and it looks like the cost for materials has gone up by $1.25 per cabinet item. Before placing the order, the pro creates a change order from the estimate to reflect the new change in price. And shares the change order with the client. The client approves the change order from their client dashboard and makes a payment. The pro receives the payment and then logs that payment from the homeowner on the change order and then orders the cabinets from their vendor. Now that the cabinetry has been ordered, the pro will make sure to document that in Houzz Pro by creating a purchase order for the cabinetry from the estimate. And just like all documents in Houzz Pro, the purchase order has a preview and share functionality. After receiving the purchase order, the vendor sends a bill to the pro, and the pro makes their payment. The pro takes the bill from the vendor and adds it to the purchase order, and logs the payment right from the purchase order in Houzz Pro. Our pro goes back to their project and toggles through their documents. So far, they've created an estimate, a change order, and all of their purchase orders for this project. The pro has even labeled the tracking status for each purchase order and can view at a glance the big picture of where in the ordering process the products are from ordered to installed. At this point in our scenario, we're going to jump ahead and say that the pro has completed most of the kitchen remodel and the homeowner has made most of their payments from the payment schedule. Our pro is ready to create and issue an invoice to their homeowner. The pro creates the invoice directly from the estimate and issues the invoice along with the remaining payment schedule to the homeowner. To quickly review, the pro has generated a change order, purchase orders, and an invoice directly from the estimate. Using financial documents in Houzz Pro helps to eliminate any margin for error when collecting, documenting, and managing incoming and outgoing payments in Houzz Pro. We just spent some time walking through the financial documents in Houzz Pro, but there's one more tool I want to show you that the pro can use daily. Time and expenses is used to keep track of time spent on labor and other project-related expenses, such as gas to get to and from a job site, items purchased for the project, or the time the pro may have spent to pick out materials. Even if a pro charges a flat fee for projects, it's important for them to know their crew is being efficient with time and pricing their services correctly. Houzz Pro has a time and expense tool to document it all. Pros can use the stopwatch feature to track how much time they're spending on a task or log completed time after the task is done. The great thing about this feature is that the pro can have their team members or subcontractors track their time on the job site in live time or during administrative tasks as well. Multiple stopwatches can be run at the same time, so everyone involved on the project can track their own time. And when done, the pro can invoice all time and expense entries. Using the time and expense tool makes sure our pros aren't leaving money on the table by not billing for labor and other project-related expenses. Houzz Pro also makes it easy to generate payment, transaction, and billing reports. Tax season has never been easier with financial documents and tools in Houzz Pro. You'll learn more about reporting in Houzz Pro and our QBO integration for accountants in the next video.